going to learn how to draw and color a rainbow princess, or principessa in Italian, with teacher Ami. We are going to learn colors in English and Italian too. Are you ready? Let's go!
Hi friends, I'm Ami. Let's start by drawing a round shape. This is the princess's head. Let's draw her ears. Now her neck. Let's draw 2 arms. 1, 2. You're doing great! Now we're drawing her beautiful dress. Isn't it beautiful? Let's add some curved lines to the dress.
Wiggle your fingers, tap your toes. Ready, get set, here we go. Let's play a game, a happy sound. Time to get up and
Now let's give her 2 eyes. 1 and 2. And a happy smile. Now let's outline our drawing with a thick black marker.
Can you stomp like an elephant? Stomp, stomp. Can you flap your arms and fly? Can you reach for the big blue sky?
Let's color her hair brown.
Jump, jump, jump.
Or in Italian, marrone.
Higher and higher, have a ball. Twirl, twirl, twirl in a circle round.
Now let's color her face, neck, and arms in beige. We also say beige in Italian. To color her dress, I'm using purple. Or in Italian we say viola. But you can use any color you like. This color is red. And in Italian we say rosso. Red is my favorite color. What's your favorite color? The next color is orange. In Italian we say Arancione. Next, I'm using yellow. In Italian, we say Giallo. This color is green. And in Italian, we say Verde. I like the color green. Do you? Light blue. In Italian, we say azzurro. The sea is light blue in the summer. This color is the last color. It's pink. In Italian, we say rosa. Stick around, because something fun is coming up next. Great job!
Hey kiddos! We had so much fun drawing and coloring. But now it's time for the best part. Let's see if we can remember the names of all the colors we used today. Let's begin with brown. Can you say brown? Great job! Let's say it again. Brown. Brown in Italian is marrone. Can you say marrone? Ottimo lavoro! Here is an example of something brown. This is brown chocolate. Il cioccolato è marrone. The next color is beige. Can you say beige? Great job! Let's say it again. Beige. Beige in Italian is beige. It's the same word in both English and Italian. Here is an example of something beige. This is a beige hat. Questo è un cappello beige. This color is red. Can you say red? Fantastic! Let's say it again. Red. Red in Italian is rosso. Let's say it again. Rosso. Bravissimi! Here is an example of something red. This is a red strawberry. Questa è una fragola rossa. Let's hop to the next color. This color is orange. Can you say orange? Well done! Let's say it again. Orange. Orange in Italian is arancione. Let's say it again. Arancione. Ben fatto! Here is an example of something orange. This is an orange carrot. Questa è una carota arancione. Let's see what is the next color. This color is yellow. Can you say yellow? Great! Let's say it again. Yellow. Yellow in Italian is Giallo. Let's say it again. Giallo. Ben fatto. Here is an example of something yellow. This is a yellow sun. Questo è un sole giallo. Let's jump to the next color. This next color is green. Can you say green? Well done! Let's say it again. Green. Green in Italian is verde. Let's say it again. Verde. Ben fatto. Here is an example of something green. This is a green avocado. Questo è un avocado verde. Let's see what is the next color. This next color is light blue. Can you say light blue? Great! Let's say it again. Light blue. Light blue in Italian is azzurro. Let's say it again. Azzurro. Bravissimi! Here is an example of something light blue. This is a light blue whale. Questa è una balena azzurra. You're doing great, kiddos! Let's see what is the next color. This color is purple. Can you say purple? Great job! Let's say it again. Purple. Purple in Italian is viola. Let's say it again together. Viola. Bravissimi! Here's an example of something viola. These are purple grapes. Questo sono uve viola. This next color is pink. Can you say pink? Great! Let's say it again. Pink. Pink in Italian is rosa. Say it with me. Rosa. Perfetto. Here is an example of something pink. This is a pink donut. Questa è una ciambella rosa. Yummy! Wow, kiddos! We've learned all of today's colors. That's all for now. See you next time. Bye!